Welcome to Washboardjim's Options Challenge. I started this challenge with $1,000, gained it to two, subtracted 1,000 from it, and opened up two different accounts, a cash account and a margin account. So I'm able to go ahead and get more scalps out of the week just in case we hit some good runners. And I'm also swing trading. My goal is to become a better swing trader in options and as a stock trader. Plus, I want to build this account up to 100 grand by the end of the year. So far, it was a little rough start at the beginning, but I'm starting to get into it. I've had one losing trade in the last 6 weeks, and I'll discuss it also. So let's go ahead and go to my little clip here. Right now, I'm swinging AMD and BABA. I'm down on BABA a little bit. That was my swing trade from yesterday, and I added on the pullback. My account balance is now $6,049.60, and I took a big hit on plug, lost 346 on it. I just couldn't get into the trade right. I was down quite a bit on it, so I just went ahead and sold it. I took a big loss on it, 346. I was at around 6,500. I did scalp Tesla yesterday, and that was a big help. And we're going to just go ahead and talk about the stocks themselves, or the options that I'm in right now. And that will be this account right here. We'll go to AMD. I got in the $82 strike. My average on AMD is right now is at 258. Here in the pre-market hours, we're at 278. So 258, I'm up about 20 bucks on it. I got one contract for $2, and this is my scalp that I did before on it yesterday in the account. I bought a strike at 292 and 295, and then I sold it at 350. So I was able to make $25 on it, and that boosted my account a little bit, my cash account. So let's go ahead and look at the chart. We're going to pull up the SMA 50, 20, 50, and the 200. Type in AMD and see where we are on this trade. This trade had a great run. Check the time here. We'll go ahead and pull up the 5-day, 5-minute. We had that great run up here, and I took the trade and got out of it right here on my personal account. She went up a little bit. And then pre-market she came, and then she had that hard crash. So that's when I got into the trade yesterday on that pullback, and then I run it up. And then this morning, right at open, I got out of the trade. So what's been working for me so far is when I get in these trades on the pullback, the next morning I'll go ahead and get out of the trade. I'll go ahead and no matter if I'm up or down, I usually just go ahead and settle and get out and try to play the pullback. And that's exactly what I did yesterday. I got in the trade at the bottom, right at open. I got out of the trade, made $95, and then I got back in it down here at support level. See if I magnify this up. I got in right here at this idea right down in here at the bottom of the channel. And that time of that option when I got in, let me see here, was right around 947. So if we go back to the chart, we'll pull this up to the daily 1 minute. Right around 947, right in here is where I got into the trade. Right there. That's where I took her. And then she started bouncing on up. And then when she pulled back again, I should have probably got me another contract, but I just kind of said I'll just leave it alone. So if I get a spike on this first thing in the morning again, or if it's a good run, if I see a nice little breakout pre-market, I might hold on to it. But if it goes ahead and opens up, I can get back up in here, I'll probably go ahead and get out of the trade and then relook at it again. And then the other one we got in was BABA. Now I'm down on BABA, and this expires this week. I got it last Friday. Let me see here. I got in at 3, 4. I've got 5 of them. So first I got in at 309, 169, 157, 138, and 132. So I'm catching them, buying them on the way down. I don't know if this is a good strategy on this one, but I am bullish on BABA, kind of, or I am. I bought it a beautiful little contract down here a ways back, got in at 320 and sold it at 1310, what really boosted the account. So I figured I could try it again, and it did not quite work that well. Here's another trade I made. Got in here at 320. Let me see, right in, yeah. Got in here at 293 and 278 and sold it at 261. So I took a small loss on that one too. But I got back in it. We're going to see if we can ride this thing up. Right now I have 5 contracts. And if I can get a good bounce on this thing today and get past 181, that's my average, I'm going to go ahead and get out of the trade. But I've got this week, so I got to make a decision today or tomorrow if I want to go ahead and hold this or stay in it. So I'm hoping that we can get a little rebound on it and I can try to break even or break out some profit. So that's the update on the options challenge. And then tonight I'll do another video on stocks that I'm watching and see how this market kind of acts today. I'll be definitely scalping Tesla again today. I'll be watching it first thing in the morning. Yesterday I took Tesla. Let me see here. Give me 1 second here. I think it was the 23rd. So I got in Tesla at 247, bought 2 contracts, and that was right at open, right around 840. And then 12 minutes later, I got out of it, and I sold them for 296. So I was able to make $95 on that trade, and that kind of helped my cash account out. So we'll go ahead and keep it on watch. I'll keep you updated on the trades that I make in the video. Plus, I'm in StockTwits and Twitter. If you can follow those links, give me a like if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'll keep you updated. I want to take this $1,000 to 100,000 by the end of the year. And always remember, this is Washboard Jim's Options Challenge. And have a great day.